In this video, I will explain how to make this robot in Python using Turtle library. So first, we will import Turtle library. Next, we will choose the background color of the screen, which is sky blue. Then, we will create a function named createRectangle, in which we will pass length, breadth, and the color. In this function, we will write turtle.penDown, then turtle.color, in which we will pass color, then turtle.beginFill. Then we will create a for loop for I in range 4. In this for loop, we will define two conditions. If I mod 2 is not equal to 0, then turtle.forward means the distance that turtle will cover equal to the length of the rectangle. Then we will specify the angle turtle.right angle in clockwise direction of 90 degree. Else condition would be turtle.forward equal to the breadth of the rectangle and turtle.right 90 degree. In the end, we will write turtle.endFill and turtle.penUp. Then we will write turtle.penUp again and specify the speed. Turtle.speed, which is 0, means the maximum speed. Next, for making the shoes, we will write turtle.goTo -100, -150. Then we will call this createRectangle function, in which we will pass length, which is 20, breadth, which is 50, and the color is blue. Similarly, for shoe number 2, turtle.goTo -30, -150, and we will call createRectangle function, specify the length 20, breadth 50, and the color is blue. Then for making the legs, we will write turtle.goTo -70, -50. Then call createRectangle function, specify the length, breadth, and the color 100, 15, and the color is gray. Then similarly for leg number 2, turtle.goTo -25, -50. Then call createRectangle function, specify the length 100, breadth 15, and the color is gray. Then for making the body, we will write turtle.goTo -90, 100. Then we will call createRectangle function, specify the length 150, breadth 100, and the color is red. Then for making the hands, turtle.goTo -150, 70. Then we will call createRectangle function, length is 15, breadth is 60, and color is gray. Then turtle.goTo -150, 110, create rectangle, length is 40, breadth is 15, and color is gray. Similarly, for second hand, turtle.goTo 10, 70, create rectangle, 15 is length, 60 is breadth, and color is gray. Then turtle dot go to 55, 110 and create rectangle. 40 is length, 15 is breadth and color is gray. Then for making the neck, turtle dot go to -50, 120 and create rectangle. 20, 15 and color is gray. Then for making the head, turtle dot go to -85, 170 and create rectangle. Length is 50, breadth is 90 and color is red. Then for making the eyes, turtle dot go to -60, 160 and create rectangle. 10, 40, color is white. Then turtle dot go to -50, 115, 155 and create rectangle. Length and breadth is 5 and color is black. Turtle dot go to -35, 155 and create rectangle. 5, 5, black. Then for making the lips, turtle dot go to -65, 138 and create rectangle. Length is 5, breadth is 50 and color is yellow. Next for making the fingers, turtle dot go to -155, 130 create rectangle. Length and breadth is 25 and color is green. Then turtle dot go to -147, 130 create rectangle. Length is 15, breadth is 10 and color is turtle dot background color. Now see here, this whole rectangle is of green color and on this green rectangle I have made another rectangle whose color is the background color of the screen, which is sky blue. So that's how these fingers have been created. Now for making the fingers of second hand, I will copy this code and paste it. Only the position will be changed. That is, here position will be 50, 130. Sorry, here 25 will come. Breadth is 25. Then turtle dot go to 58, 130. In the end, we will write turtle dot hide turtle and turtle dot main loop. Now I will execute this code. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section and thank you for watching this video.